Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install and run Android apps on your PC without using phone still. So firstly we are going to Google Chrome and type BlueStack. It's a mobile application. So we are going to official website of BlueStack and download BlueStack from there. I will be previously installed. So we are going to the next step. So simply we are going to open the BlueStack. Click on BlueStack. So the BlueStack app player, you will see this BlueStack will be open. Processing will be completed. Now BlueStack will be open. So first of all, this is the main interface. You will search app and game from there. Any of the app. For example, I will type Subway Surfers. It's a mobile application, mobile game. So here we will see Subway Surfers. You can click on install to install it. So the next is using Windows 11 subsystem for Android. So for this we can go to Microsoft Store. And here we will search Amazon App Store. You will see Amazon Movies WSM Manager with app. You can download it and install which APK app you will be installed. So the next step is using a APK files. So just simply go on Chrome and type any of the app or game. Temple Run Android download. So you can simply download using search bar. So the next step is for advanced users only. You can go to Android 86. You can download it to enjoy the APK files and drag there from BlueStack. So the Android apps will be working fine. So that's it. How you can install and run Android app on your PC without needing a phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching.